Hello all, in this video, let's see how to create a task and get daily updates on it. As you can see, I am inside a project in site plan page. Here we can do multiple things like creating a task or tracking the task progresses or even assigning this task to anyone. And finally, you can share the complete task plan with anyone all at one place. Right now, as you can see, we don't have any tasks listed. Let's go ahead and create a task by clicking on Add Task button. Once I click on Add Task button, I can choose work categories here or I can create my own work category. As an example, I click on Carpentry and Next. Once you choose a work category, you can either create a task by writing one or you can choose one. I'm choosing Play Partition. Once you do that, you can add multiple tasks or you can even add start date of the task and then end date as in when you want to end the task. Once you do that, you can even assign someone to the task by inviting someone through the contacts. I'm inviting someone from the contact. Once you invite someone from the contact, you can add him or assign him to this task. Once this is done, I will click on add one task. Now you can see this is listed in not started, as in the update for the task is not done. The person who is assigned to the task can update the task progress from his own Powerplay application by logging in through the same mobile number. Now let us see how we can update the task progress. Clicking on the task, here is a button to update the progress. Once I click on it, I can add multiple images and then choose the image, and I can add how much of the work is updated and then tell how many number of people came to work. Say example, I do 5 and add a remark. I want 2 more workers. Once this is done, click on submit. Now we can see the task is 30% completed and the task update has been updated in task page. Now if you have any issues with the task progress or the task, you can raise the issue by clicking on more button. Here, clicking on raise an issue, you can add a title, write a title, or you can choose one from, and you can assign that issue to someone, and you can even select the date. Once I do it, submit it. If I go back, I can see the issues listed here. Or if there are no issues and you just want to confirm all is well, you can say good, go ahead. I commented as good, go ahead. This can be seen by all the people inside the task. Once I do this, and if there are no updates for certain days, you can even follow up using this follow up button, asking him the follow up through WhatsApp. Once this done, go back and you can see in progress because the task is 30% updated. Now you can share the whole task plan with anyone through WhatsApp. For daily updates of all the tasks, you need to create major tasks on Powerplay. Now, if you want to upload tasks from an Excel file or Microsoft Projects file to Powerplay app, you can reach out to support from the help section. Thank you.